In Bach's time, a Polonaise was a walking dance, so it wasn't a dance that went along really quickly, but it did have a characteristic rhythm that we can find in two places in the piece. That's in bar 3, and then much later on in bar 16. Yum digga dum bum bum bum. And the way we're going to play that rhythm is by having the bow on the string and doing a tiny little up bow, which is almost as if we did a pizzicato. So if I put my thumb against the string and I pull the string to one side and release, we get that sort of effect. And I'm going to do the same, but it's the hairs of the bow that are going to do the sort of plucking action. So we get a very clean staccato sound there.